What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, man. We are at the gun range, man. We about to go ahead and shoot some guns. Y'all, as y'all can see Robert truck back there, Corey in the truck, his cameraman in the truck. I haven't been here in a minute though. But these niggas, they can't shoot better than me though, y'all. Hey, y'all know I'm the best shooter out here. Just let y'all know I'm the best shooter out here. You ain't prove that nothing. We both was hitting them on water bottles, so don't even say that. Don't even say that. Want me the first one to shoot shotgun?
You want to shoot?
Bet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show y'all how to shoot it though. Watch.
Hey.
Yeah, we gotta get his ear protection and stuff.
So you gotta have a mask on it, bit.
So I'm gonna show y'all where we at, man. We right here. At the gun range, man. They got me messed up. I ain't shooting damn shotgun. If I blow my goddamn one more. Real. Let me put my mask on before I walk in here. Oh. Y'all, we are in the gun store right now. That move with that knife right there, boy. Oh yeah, hey, hold it for me.
Custom work, bro. We did that in the house.
Nice. I feel like I'm gonna break his phone. How much the hell was though? 16. But it's not bad. 16 ain't not 17. Them look nice. Real. Time you come here, you say that.
Everybody gonna make you. Y'all be good, bro.
What you said, bro?
I said every time you come here, you say that.
Hey, look at that scar, bro.
Yeah, but I don't be having no guns out.
That's 20.
Well, this one I like. Oh, dang. I think somebody already bought them all. I gotta get that joker right there. That's what I need right there. How much is this? 1100. I ain't getting that. That's too long. I need that bad boy right there. All these Western guns in here. Telling y'all, man. Ooh, I need that little bad boy right there too. Can't nobody see that joker right there, but I put that in my sock. All right. Get that little black one too. I like all those, y'all. I like all the little small guns, so y'all can't see them. Oh, these niggas left me. They already went back there in the back. Oh, they over here.
People stand around there and you know he shot the gun.
Right, that way he tested silence.
Yeah, I'm ready to get my silencer, bro. Because it's like, shit, fight.
Where y'all ear protection and stuff?
They gonna give you.
They give you some.
I always get them wrong. Coronavirus.
They go right there. The number right there. Hey.
Oh, yeah, that's the owner right there in that limbo. The owner of the gun. Yeah, that bad boy nice too.
I don't like this one. Yo, that's his truck too. That's his
Lamborghini.
Yeah, that's his big.
Oh, that's the one you seen the reverse cameras on the one when you put in reverse, that boy pop out.
Mm-hmm. You go out there mention what the hell?
I don't know where to put it.
You better go out there. Come on, let's go out there.
Let me see.
Y'all might get it closer. Yeah, this man is in a wheelchair. He's driving a Lambo, y'all. No excuses, man. That long money. Y'all, this is the owner of the gun store. We gotta go shoot guns.
We've been trying, man, but they tax it like, I don't know what's going on. So we've been trying to buy one with a purple deal for my guy. So he said, don't buy one for this. So they're gonna tax you out there. They trying to buy one with a big deal. So we almost had one last week. And me ask you a BB gun. I'm gonna hold it right here. Come on, this bit heavy as hell. Come on, what you doing?
Let me hit you. One more thing.
Excuse me, man. Then I'm just strong as hell.
Bro, I'm telling you, holding that shit up for a minute is a struggle.
It's then they was just like, no, they think I was Superman today, huh? Like, come on, bro. This
Oh, you Rambo, huh?
Nah, I'm good. Hands falling down and
Let
shit.
me hold it, man. Hold this.
You got the camera handle,
Thank you, man.
No problem.
All
right,
Yeah, hold it.
That shit tight. I'll get that shit, bro.
What kind of bullets does that take?
308.
You need
62 of them a second.
Hold on. You say 62.
Every single second
Every
is firing
second.
62 rounds.
When this thing fires, it doesn't sound like a gun. It doesn't boom, boom, boom. It sounds like a saw because the shots fire so close to each other that you can't hear the difference.
Hey, bro.
Is the bullet like a little?
Come get this.
So,
Yeah.
so basically, every single time it fires.
We don't have a video. This one shouldn't even look heavy.
You can find him on YouTube.
But when it shoots,
Oh my god.
Bro, I know.
Yeah.
You see, you gotta lean back with this
Is it that
shit.
heavy?
I wonder why Alex was calling.
I don't think any of us together could afford to replace this
I
thing.
can't even. Okay, so
Okay, somebody gonna get this.
That boy heavy, boy. That boy heavy.
See what those things do, right?
Literally.
Oh, okay.
So see how this, see there's rounds coming out? They do that one every 10 rounds does that. So you see how it doesn't look like a lot of them are coming out, but that's not every
The
round.
bullets go at the top.
Yeah, they come out of the probably the
A tracer round is fired every 10 rounds.
Damn.
So there's 10 bullets in between
Every time you see
one
that
of them.
flash, that's 10 rounds. Not one.
Yeah.
That's insane, bro.
Now I see why he was getting excited.
For real. The little monster I got.
Shot that thing, what they call it again? You shot that minigun before?
Which one? I don't know what it is.
Minigun? They don't see that.
I shot it.
Oh no, they ain't got shit on the minigun. That minigun from serious.
Come on, man. Get right, man. Can't get right. Can't get right over there.
Sucks. I can't shoot with the shotgun.
Ass can't see that far.
Must sound like automatic. I ain't gonna lie to you, that air cold. I should have brought my jacket.
Time to unload them.
Time to unload.
What the hell is
Yeah, I ain't
that?
never seen Robert shoot before. I'm gonna see if he can
Yeah,
shoot.
this is old fashioned. 7 yards. It's typical shooting.
Boy, they got a bomb over there, boy. You hit the first one.
That's not even warm up. That's not even warm up.
Bro, going in. This dude.
What the hell? Go get some earbuds, bro. You don't have no damn
I got no earbuds.
But you
Hey, look. That was the first shot.
Oh,
That was the second shot. And that was the third shot.
right in the middle.
You want to try it out?
Yeah, I tried out.
Video.
Yeah, I got you.
All right.
Okay, you hit the guy to the left shoulder.
Or his right shoulder. Okay. Hip it almost in there. Oh, yeah, you hit that nigga in the mouth, bro. Hit in the head. Oh, headshot. Terrence like that guy.
Headshot.
Terrence like that guy.
All I hit is headshot. Y'all better stop playing with me.
Yeah. This was your first shot. Second shot. One of these was your third shot. One of these was your third shot. Your fourth shot was in the head right there.
Oh yeah.
It might have been this one. I don't know. The accuracy
forward,
was
though.
really good, ain't it?
Huh?
The accuracy.
Oh yeah, the accuracy good on that guy for real. pull though. He missing. Oh, he ain't even start yet. That boy loaded up over here.
Reload these motherfuckers.
They got a load of weed. I hate those. I hate the load. I almost university. Go off. Like, I gotta add upward. Wait. But I still fuck you up though.
You still not gonna miss though.
Even though I ain't miss out the white. Come on, stop playing with me, bro.
Yeah, which one was that?
Bro.
I want to try that.
I'm gangster with it, bro. And I'm with back to that. Come on, man. Alright, what is it?
Oh, this camera is so clear.
Which
I'll let you shoot that one there.
I don't even have hair on my head. My hair go back a little bit.
Why that thing leaning like that?
I don't know. It don't matter anyway.
My scope so off on this gun. They got
So you looking at the scope? You looking at the scope?
Yeah.
You still hit the blue though.
So I'm aiming the scope right here. The bullet's going right.
Oh, let me try it.
Go ahead.
Make it for
Bro. Corey, I hit in the white.
You hit the white?
Yeah, you said your sights is on. That was on 40.
I had it eight.
Nigga, I just hit in the white.
He just hit 2 in the white.
Did you add in the white?
Yes.
No way I hell.
He just hit again.
Bam.
Shot one in the
Shoot
middle.
in the middle, bro. I'm not kidding, dude.
See your other two are.
But look at this. So I shot those, but look right in the middle.
Alright, so tell you got to shoot the head.
The head.
Yep.
Damn.
That's the eye.
What?
Mouth.
That's the
Damn,
head.
that's the big no, that's the eye.
Let it loose. Let it loose. That nigga made a smiley face, bro. That boy made a smiley face, dog.
That's how I learned how to shoot.
So guys, we gonna shop right now, man. If y'all like this video, man, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, man. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, bro. More bangers is on the way, man. Power Gang out, man.